Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a trick from Maven. This one is called Abacus. For this trick, we need a pack of 52 playing cards. We do need the card box for this, and we have one prediction inside the envelope, okay? So, Jonah, I want you to think of a number between 10 and 20. Whatever number you're thinking of, I want you to deal that number of cards down to the table, and then I want you to hide them inside the card box so I can't see them, okay? I'm going to turn away. You go ahead and do that. So Jonah's going to think of a number between 10 and 20. He's going to deal that number of cards down to the table, and then he's going to take that pack and he's going to put them inside the card box, close the flap so that I can't see how thick the packet is and how many cards he's taking, okay? And let me know when you've done that. You got your packet, and now you're putting them inside the card box, okay? Are you done? Can I turn around?
Yep.
Okay, turn back around. Excellent. So now, Jonah's thinking of a number between 10 and 20. He's the only person in the world that could know that number, right? Now, one way I could easily figure out the number is by counting how many cards we have left in the packet. And if I subtract that from 52, it's going to tell me how many you put in the box. Okay, I could do that. Another way that I can do that is by taking your cards out and counting them. That would obviously work, okay? But let's try it this way. I'm going to take the deck and I'm going to cut it into two packets. Now we're going to pick 4 cards from these 2 packets, Joe. I want you to choose which packet they come from, okay? Where would you like the first card to come from? This packet here? And then which one do you want the second card to come from? Over here, 2. And then the third card. Wait, this one over here. And the fourth one back over here. Okay, now if we take these cards, Joe, now we add these up. We have a 2 and an 8, which is 10. Here's a 3, so 10 plus 3 is 13. And a 4 is 17. That tells me the number you were thinking of was the number 17. Is that right?
Yep.
Okay, so Jonah was thinking of the number 17. Now that's one way to figure out how many cards are in the box. Another way is by doing what's known as the toss, okay? So this is the toss, Joe. If we take your packet and we just give it a little toss, 2 cards jump out of the pack, and you see I get a 1 and a 7. 1 and 7 makes a 2-digit number of 17. That's the number you thought of, right? That's pretty cool. Now, let's try this. Let's take it one step further. If we take 1 plus 7, we get the number 8, right? So if we count down to the 8th card in your packet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that's the 8th card, we're going to land on the King of Hearts. Now, before the trick began, Joe, I placed a prediction over here inside the envelope, and if we take a look, inside we have a playing card. Is a blue-backed card, but Jonah, it is also the King of Hearts. See, I was able to predict which card was going to land at your secret number. But what's really unusual is I don't know how your number led us to the King of Clubs, the King of Diamonds, and the King of Spades. That is Abacus by Maven. Pretty cool trick, guys. Until next time, take care.